Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can uninstall and remove custom homes virtual environments that you downloaded to your Oculus Quest or Quest 2 VR headsets. The first thing you need to do is go to the custom homes. To do this is simple. You just go to the quick settings at the left side. This here, you're going to tap this area and then tap settings at the top right corner. Then you're going to scroll down on the left side list until you see virtual environment and tap it. Here you can see all the available custom homes. If you point your pointer over the bottom right area for each one, you're going to see a gray circular area. This means that you can interact with this. All you need to do is just click the trigger button on your controller and this will show you an uninstall option. And then you need to tap uninstall again and confirm uninstall blue button to uninstall it. Then it will be uninstalled. Now, all you can do is if you want to reinstall it, just head over to it and just tap install again. So this is it, very simple to uninstall custom homes virtual environment from your Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.